Hello again, it's Noob, and in a recent video I impressioned a key for this Yale and Towne wafer cam lock. And here is that key, and there is all the brass that came off the key as I filed the key. And as you can see, it works clearly well. What you'll see now is really just the long take of me impressioning the key. Now, for the most part, I wouldn't say that it's going to be very interesting. It's probably somewhere over 10 minutes of me just filing away this key, but I just thought for posterity I would show a longer version of me doing the impressioning, just to show in real time how long it takes somebody who, like me, I'm not really a skilled impressioner, but I take my time and I usually get there in the end, even if it takes me one or two key blanks. So yes, for those of you who like this kind of thing, then please do enjoy. And if you like videos like this, leave a like. If you have a comment, please leave a comment below. If you haven't subscribed, please do consider subscribing. This is my Noob side channel. And of course, I'll see you all next time. Okay, on to the impressioning. So here we are. As you can see, I've tightened this key nicely in the jaws, if you like, of this impressioning handle. It's a nice comfortable size. I put the long handle on and put it on the, I don't know what I find more comfortable, but I think I'm going to hold it like this. I'm going to be turning more counterclockwise anyway, purely because this cam lock is open clockwise, and well, I'll show you. Look, basically it opens that counterclockwise. Just the way I've held it in the vice grips. If I remember, I'll probably put a long format impressioning on my side channel, Side Noob, if I remember. But I'll probably speed this a little bit up because it can take a while. It is only a 5-pin wafer lock, but still, you know, impressioning does take a bit of time. I'm not a massive expert. So just going to start off and then if we look here, oh wow, we can already see, let me just move that in. A little mark 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 there already. So I think that means that I can probably file off at all of those points and go back in for some more. Right,